Hey, so we're just going to go through the last little bit looking at audio. So how we can do that, and just as well, just before I get to that, if you wanted to click on learning here, oh, it's not open for me at the moment. Oh, there it is. There's a range of different tutorials available in here. I've sort of looked across those sort of things. I've done some of my own research and my own experience based on it. So if you're short on anything you're not sure, you can always click on, for example, learn the basics, what you can learn, going through those sort of options. You can also go through, let me just see if we can go back, creative and stylistic, and then just a broad overview as well. So that's really good and useful. I'm going to get you guys to do that in class and for homework as well as part of the process. Just to finish off with the audio, last little bit is you can adjust the audio volumes in here, but I'm just going to show you audio over here. Same sort of principles here. So how it works is we've got our audio range here, and so you can then adjust the volume accordingly. This is the left and right. We want the master. Let me just double check this, because we don't want to do left and right. We just want the master one. We might be best to just go from editing and doing it there, just basic sort of thing. So we've got our audio, and I can increase the score. But I can also then decrease it here as well. Is this still left and right? I think it might be. Let me just double check. Can we just go back? Yeah. So if the volume's been turned way down, I can turn this back. I'll do this again one more time, just to adjust that volume. So I'll bring this back up a bit more. It's a bit too loud. I'll bring it back down. What I can also do is I might go through and have a quick look at these. So I might bring all of these down just a touch. Let's go from there. I think that works quite effectively. So that gives you a bit of a guide of how we can approach a chase scene using Premiere Pro.